Alright. Assalamualaikum. Today we will continue with lecture 5 on another types of IBS, which is steel framing system. Okay, basically nowadays the usage of steel in the construction industry has been widely used and also is getting popular, especially for uh, multi-story and also industrial buildings. So we rarely see the application of steel in landed properties, perhaps due to high cost. And among the reason why steel framing system has been considered as NIBS, because basically this construction system is more mechanized and it involves the use of structural components that are being produced off-site. So means that the components of steel is being produced at the factory then delivered to the site. So basically uh, that's the main criteria of IBS, okay, which is the component must be produced at the factory then delivered to the site. And another reason why steel framing system is being considered as an IBS also because this system will offer you repetitions. Okay, so when you use steel framing system, it will encourage repetition in your design. Okay, so it's quite easy for you to repeat the sizes, the horizontal and also vertical layout. So basically, steel framing is in the form of rectangular. Okay, as you can see, it's in the form of rectangular dalam bentuk segi empat, and this steel frame has a function of supporting the floor, roof, and walls that are being attached to the frame. So that's the main function of the steel frame that in the form of rectangular. Okay, dia kena support whatever components that being attached to the framing system, including the roof, the wall, and also the flooring system that we are going to use. So as you know, steel is a strong and stiff material. Okay, so and basically is suitable for any types of design. Okay, and but normally is being chosen because of its flexibility in providing long spanning structure and its ability to accommodate a wide range of function and also architectural requirements. Okay, so mostly we can see the application of steel framing on the design that has a long spanning structure like warehouse, stadium for roof structures and so on. So beside that, we also besides that, actually the application of steel is excellent for tall and slender buildings, bangunan tinggi dan ramping. Okay, so that's why you can see most of skyscrapers around the world will use steel as their framing system. Okay, including KLCC, Taipei 101, Eiffel Tower in Paris, Burj Dubai. Okay, those buildings use steel as their framing system because the application of steel is most excellent on that type of building. However, steel also can be used for, as I mentioned earlier, for long spanning structure and of course for multi-story frames, including um, office building. And another example is like in Malaysia, the PICC, okay, Putrajaya International Convention Centre. Okay, they are using steel framing system for their framing system. Okay, it's a multi-story frames. And lastly, we also can see the application of steel on roof construction lah, of course, on as a roof trusses. Okay, and other than that, we also can see how nowadays, especially nowadays, we can see most of application of steel we can see on window frames and also door frames. Okay, so that's some introduction on steel framing system.